We also define the topic of the reproduction organism. Reproduction, yeah, what is the what mean by the reproduction? Reproduction is the that is a biological process in which organism produce own like species. That scientific process is known as the reproduction. You also see the cats, dog, cow, also animals that produce own babies. That means the reproduction is the biological process, and the reproduction is the biological process in which organism produce own like species. One thing we also say that the vital reproduction is essential. रिप्रोडक्शन क्या है, क्यों आवश्यक है? तो आई कैन सी दैट द रिप्रोडक्शन इज आल्सो से दैट रिप्रोडक्शन इज द बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस. In this process, the organism produce own like species. And why is the need? Why is need the reproduction? We also see the environments many organisms are the producer his babies. If not produce his babies, we also find that the many organisms that will be the his next generation with the star, and the no many species are the found there. Those so organism also produce and form the new organism. That means the reproductions have the all the organism टोटल जो organism होते हैं, ये टोटल organism के रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं. रिप्रोड्यूस करने के पश्चात ये डॉटर्स के रूप में जन्म देते हैं. इसके पश्चात इनके दिखाता है कि आफ्टर ये टाइम प्रत्येक यानी ईच लिविंग थिंग्स दैट लिव एट ए टाइम एक निश्चित समय तक जीवित करता है. सो द हिज लाइफ इज यस सो द ड्यूरेशन इज द लाइफ स्पॉन. लाइफ स्पॉन होता है तो आई कैन से दैट birth to death. The organism की birth जन्म लेता है and then a time naturally death, and this between the space at the time period is called the life span. मतलब ये आइडिया लाइफ स्पॉन आइडिया तो लाइफ स्पॉन that is the a time period between the birth to death. Each organism have the definite lifespan. Lifespan, a parent live for his lifespan is 140 years. A frog that 14 years. A tortoise that 180 years. Human beings that live for 100 years. तो so many organisms, all the organisms that live a time then after we get dead. The duration is known as the lifespan. Means the parent lifespan is the 140 years. The frogs 14 years. Tortoise 180 years, and the human beings the 100 years. Then after his will be also dead. Dead and that after before the death he will be birth babies, and the babies will be also be young, and then the birth next generation. So lifespan is the I can say that the lifespan is the time period between birth to डेथ. जन्म और नेचुरल इनकी मृत्यु के बीच की जो समय होती है उसी को क्या कहा गया, लाइफ स्पैन कहा गया. इसके पश्चात ये देखा गया कि जो लाइफ स्पैन होती है डस द डिपेंड इज द सेल्फ. जो लाइफ स्पैन होती है ये लाइफ स्पैन से निर्भर नहीं करता है. बिकॉज द पेरेंट हैव द 140 years and the boy is the 40 years only, because yes we get the same size same way but not also dependent. After this topic, we also see that the life response is necessary, and after a life response organism प्रोड्यूस करने के पश्चात ये देखा जाए तो जो लाइफ रिस्पॉन्स है, जो ऑर्गेनिज्म की लाइफ है, दैट आल्सो डिवाइड द थ्री पार्ट्स फॉर द स्टडी. फर्स्ट द लाइफ फेज, second reproductive phase, and then after syncytial phase. Juvenile phase, the phase between the organism birth and before the adolescence. This time is known as the juvenile phase. Adolescence जो स्टेज होता है ना, रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज तक पहुंचने से पहले की जो अवस्था होती है इसको हम कहते हैं जुवेनाइल फेज कहते हैं. एंड देन आफ्टर द he reach the reproductive phase. In this reproductive phase the organism mature and that give the birth, or the reproductive parts will be also grow and his also products. Syncytial phase, a time period after the reproductive which organism is all the biological process will be the lost. एक निश्चित समय के पश्चात क्या होती है, तो उसकी जो रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज होती है वो क्या होती है, समाप्त हो जाती है, और दिस फेज इज नोन एज द syncytial phase. Then after the all the organism reproduce, and the reproduction are the into two type, sexual and asexual. See the reproductions. You also learn the definition of the reproduction and the mode of the reproduction in the organism are the two types. First is sexual reproduction, and second sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, that means we also defined by that is uniparental. यहाँ पर कैसा होता है, uniparental होता है. The process in the asexual reproduction, in this process the organism produce own spring by a single parent. इसमें केवल सिंगल पेरेंट्स के द्वारा ही ऑर्गेनिज्म का रिप्रोड्यूस किया जाता है, उसे हम कहते हैं एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. दैट एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इज आल्सो नोन एज द यूनिपेरेंटल रिप्रोडक्शन. The asexual reproduction, the organism also asexually reproduce by the following method, like this. First is the fission, second budding, third fragmentation, fourth spore formation, regeneration, and sixth vegetative reproduction. That's also the mode of the asexual reproduction is fission. Fission is breakdown. By buddings, duration the bud. Fragmentation, small pieces of the plants. Spore formation, The guys will see the one by one topics. What that is? That is the simplest process of the reproduction in the lower organism. In this process, the hydra and bacteria also take the fission. The bacteria and the amoeba. इसलिए एग्जाम्पल हो जाएंगे, ये हो जाएगा बैक्टीरिया एंड अमीबा. In this process, the bacterial cell is a bolus, and this nuclear portion is the genetic material. Also, is the divide two parts. That formation of the embryos. And then after this the goes opposite inside, and after this releasing and two equal daughter cells. In this process, you also see that one bacteria divide into two. In same way, amoeba will be also enlarged. Firstly, its nucleus. Then after this is formed a globe-like structure in between. Upper part and lower part. Then is cell building. And then after both cells are separated to each other. By feature, the organism are divided into two parts, and the one cell will be due to binding region is divided into two daughter cells. Then after we see the budding. The best example of the budding is the hydra and yeast by budding. Second act. The budding is a asexual reproduction, part of the asexual reproduction. The lower organism like this the yeast and hydra also produced by the budding. In this process, we can see in the yeast cell. The yeast cell is also any part of the yeast that grow out. This body that produce a outgrowth in. इसमें एक outgrowth निकलता है, that is known as the bud. This nucleus part will be divided by the mitosis division, and the once the nucleus goes to the bud. डिवाइड होने के पश्चात ये देखा गया इसका एक जो न्यूक्लियर पार्ट है ये बॉडी में चला गया. आफ्टर द सम टाइम्स इज द वॉल ऑफ द मदर एंड डॉटर सेल बी intersected with each other in this cell, and then after we return his body free and for new organism. So this process is known as the budding. The hydra also obeys this reproduction. Any part of the hydra that originated in outgrowth is bodies. And after the mitotic division, this nucleus and cytoplasm goes into the bud, and after the bud will be released the parents and form a new hydra. So this process is known as the bite budding. इस क्रिया को हम क्या कहते हैं? बाइट बडिंग कहते हैं। और जो था फ्रेगमेंटेशन। Fragments in small pieces. This process also found in the algae. Alga like this is Spirogyra, Eulothrix, elongated hydras will be also obeys this rule. This productions. The Spirogyra fragments also swim in the waters, bank on the rivers, ponds, and then external forces. By the external forces, these fragments will be divided two or more pieces. इसमें जो होता है outer force की वजह से that will be also divided, and each fragments swim freely in the water. Sea waters are the river water, and often is sometimes we also is substrated and form the new fragment of the Spirogyra. So then is also forming fragment. Fragment का निर्माण होता है. Then also this process known as the fragmentation. इस process को fragmentation कहा जाता है. And then after regeneration. In this process, a smallest or a simple organism that produce in this method. Regeneration is the part of the asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, the organism divide two or more pieces. In this process, organism cut and divide two or more pieces. Like this, you also can see the planaria. The planaria is also found the leaf process, and we will be cut to many pieces. If the cut the many pieces, if one part will be regenerated. And form the new planaria. Then after the regeneration, an example of the regeneration is the planaria and amoeba. In the amoeba, that also in any accidents, he will be divided the many pieces to the his nucleus. Each part of the amoeba that containing part of nucleus is also grow and form a new amoeba. So then we can say that the regeneration process will be found in the planaria, amoeba, etc. After the regeneration, spore formation. Spore formation. We also see the fungus that found in the bread, and also known as the bread mounds. You also see the bread mounds and the bread. We have the really small grains in part of the bread, and the bread had the many fungus parts like this the hyphae. That's this part is known as the hyphae, and this hyphae, the aerial part of the hyphae that form the sporangium. In the sporangium, due to His cytoplasm and nucleus is the will be divided by the mitotically and many parts and convert into the spore. And after dehiscence wall, after dehiscence the sporangium wall, the spore are free and the favorable condition, each spore grow and form the hyphae and each hyphae convert into the fungus. So that is the spore formation. Next will be the vegetative reproduction. 6 point. Vegetative, that is also known as the somatic reproduction. In this process, the plant also reproduce somatically his body parts like this, the root, stem, leaf, etc. And this process known as the vegetative reproduction. The vegetative reproduction is the two types, artificial and natural. ये दो प्रकार के रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस होते हैं, एक आर्टिफिशियल होता है एंड सेकेंड विल बी द नेचुरल. इसमें आर्टिफिशियल रिप्रोडक्शन है, टू टाइप, नेचुरल and artificial. मेथड होता है आर्टिफिशियल मेथड है, नेचुरल मेथड. आर्टिफिशियल मेथड क्या होता है, सॉरी नेचुरल मेथड क्या होता है, if the plant bodies that grow artificially, if the plant body grow the